If you win the lotto, where do you use the money, though?
Derek, me plan that long time.
Yeah?
Me I go move from here, so, and got cherry garden.
Yeah.
Buy a big 10-bedroom house.
Man.
With 4 pool. No? One at the back. One on the top. One inside and one right out in front of yard, so everybody can see me when I choke off.
Yo, you hear that? Where you go get water for full 4 pool and what? The Gaza no good for you anymore.
Like, you know, since you appear thief and gold digger live from the Gaza. Yo, you can imagine when I win all the lotto, Derry. All my dead relatives, them that come back to life to rot.
True, that's still enough FedEx.
You live in the 18th century, I tell you that all the while. Right now is the 20th century. Women want independence. Why you think them a run up and down and sing, who run the world, girls? Who run this mother?
Really look different to me, though.
Oh, well, you see, all of my friends, them keep on saying that. But I just make them know that I just get more beautiful with age.
Granville, she dead.
Good, so we can get it back before lock.
Granville, that foolishness, man. The woman dead and all you can't think about is to get your hand on her money.
No, we can't think of how to spend it too.
But where you choose to come in here, so come dead. Where you going to do that?
How you never you never watch hold the city? Clear!
Are you do all of that?
It's the lobster. I told you I can't eat seafood.
Then Sherry, if you can't eat lobster, why you order lobster?
I'm sorry.
No, man. Oh, goodness, you know, if you're a pretty girl, your shit stink.